Hey everyone, welcome back to English in 5 minutes. I'm Jane, and today we are diving into a topic that is absolutely essential for your workplace happiness, but one that can sometimes feel surprisingly tricky: the coffee break. Taking a short 10-minute break to grab a hot drink, step away from your desk, and relax is a wonderful part of the workday. However, when you run into a colleague in the break room, switching from serious business topics to casual, friendly chatting can make you feel a bit nervous if English isn't your first language. But don't worry at all. In just 5 minutes, I am going to teach you the most useful, simple, and natural phrases to start a casual conversation, talk about your plans, and connect with your coworkers during your coffee break with total confidence. Grab your favorite mug, and let's head to the office break room together. Our break room journey begins at the exact moment you walk up to the coffee machine and see a colleague standing there waiting for their drink to brew. To break the ice naturally without sounding too intense, you always want to start with a very light, casual greeting. Instead of asking about heavy work projects, you can smile and use a simple question about their day or their energy level, such as, "Hey there, how is your morning going?" or "Are you having a busy day today?" If they answer with a tired laugh and say, "Oh, I really need this coffee," you can connect your thoughts smoothly by agreeing with them, using a friendly phrase like, "I know exactly what you mean, I'm on my second cup already." This immediately creates a warm, comfortable atmosphere between the two of you. Once the initial ice is broken, the most popular topic for office small talk is always the upcoming weekend or how someone spent their free time. If it is a Thursday or Friday, you can naturally transition into this topic by asking, "Do you have any fun plans for the weekend?" Or, if it is a Monday morning, you can turn it around and ask, "How was your weekend? Did you do anything exciting?" To share your own stories without overcomplicating your sentences, you can use easy structures like, "Not much, I just stayed home and caught up on some sleep," or "Actually, yes, I went to a new restaurant with some friends and the food was amazing." Talking about your personal life in a simple way shows your colleagues that you are approachable and ready to bond. Another fantastic and effortless topic to explore while waiting for your tea or coffee to cool down is asking your coworkers about their casual hobbies, favorites, or local recommendations. People absolutely love sharing their favorite things, and it keeps the conversation completely stress-free. For instance, you can ask a direct question like, "Have you seen any good movies or TV shows lately? I need a recommendation." Or, if you know they love food, you can say, "Hey, I'm looking for a good lunch spot nearby. Do you have a favorite place?" These types of questions require very little effort but are incredibly effective at keeping a friendly conversation moving forward naturally. Finally, as you both finish stirring your drinks and the short break comes to an end, it is time to head back to your desks and get back to work. Wrapping up a casual chat politely is just as important as starting one because it leaves a great, positive final impression. You don't need an awkward silence, you can simply smile, look at your colleague, and use a transition phrase like, "Well, I'd better get back to my desk to finish up a report. It was great chatting with you." Your coworker will usually reply with a warm, "You too, have a good afternoon," and you can walk back to your workstation feeling completely refreshed and socially connected. See? Doing small talk during your office coffee breaks is incredibly simple and fun when you use these everyday patterns and phrases. Let's do a very quick recap of our essential expressions today. Use "How is your morning going?" to break the ice. "Do you have any fun plans for the weekend?" to start small talk, and "It was great chatting with you," to politely end the conversation. Now, it's your turn to practice and build your speaking confidence. What is your absolute favorite hot drink to have during a break? Tell me in the comments below using the phrases we practiced today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English in 5 minutes for more quick, practical lessons. Thanks for watching, enjoy your break, and I'll see you next time.